We introduce how to use this device as a transmitter. It can transmit the TV sound to Bluetooth devices. It supports two Bluetooth devices simultaneously. Before we use, we need to set up the TV's sound to the TV's sound speaker to external audio mode, just like this. Switch this button to TX. Then press M button for 4 seconds. This blue LED will flash quickly. It means in pairing mode, searching for new device. Now turn on the Bluetooth headset and make it to pairing mode 2. They will pair automatically. If paired successfully, the blue LED will be solid on. Now they have paired successfully. Another blue LED is also flashing quickly. It means searching for second device. Here we have one Bluetooth speaker. Now we turn it on, and it is searching for new device. They will pair automatically too. Now they have paired successfully. If this blue LED turns off before we make a second device successfully paired, you can press M button once. Then it will search for second device again. Then you can pair the second device. There are two transmission ways, SPDIF and aux. Let's try aux firstly. Switch this button to aux side. And plug the 3.5 mm audio cable to aux in.
People's interest.
Right.
Now the TV's sound is coming out to Bluetooth headset and Bluetooth speaker.
And as Vice Premier Liu He said a few days ago, the bilateral trade relations.
I already can hear the TV's sound.
Materialized, but how?
Well, that's why.
Now let's try SPDIF. Switch this button to SPDIF side. Plug the optical cable to SPDIF in interface.
On a equal and fair ground.
Now the TV's sound is coming out to Bluetooth headset and Bluetooth speaker.
Intellectual property protection is there to serve the further momentum for Chinese companies and individuals.
I already can hear the TV's sound from this Bluetooth headset.
So I think now, when...
Now we introduce how to use it as a receiver. First, switch this button to RX side. Press M button for 4 seconds. The blue LED and the red LED will flash alternatively. It is searching for Bluetooth device. Now we turn on the mobile phone's Bluetooth and searching for new device JRBC03. Click it. It is paired already. The blue LED will be solid on. There are two receiving mode, SPDIF and aux. Let's try SPDIF firstly. Switch this button to SPDIF. Plug the optical cable to SPDIF out. Now we choose one song. and play it. Now the sound comes from the home stereo speaker. Press M button once to pause. If there is no optical interface on the home stereo speaker, we also can use aux out. First, switch this button to aux side. Then plug 3.5 mm audio cable to aux out. Press M button once to play. Now the sound is also comes from home stereo speaker.